welcome back to my channel. Have you guys like missed me? I know I haven't been like the most consistent on YouTube and Instagram in the last week, but I will be. So today's video, we're gonna be deep conditioning while going through my playlist. You guys know I've already done a wash day playlist on this channel before, but somehow all of the songs got erased and deleted. I have no idea why. Maybe somebody reported it. I don't know why they would take it down though, because it's music that's on Apple. So anyway, I just did another one, and so we're going to get into it, but I also going to be deep conditioning this time. Last time, we just kind of went through the music, but this time, I got to deep condition my hair, y'all. And I wanted to use the Miche Strengthen Protein Deep Conditioner. You guys know I love Miche, but I normally use the Nourishing Deep Conditioner, but they came out with a protein one. I've used it once, and it doesn't look like I've even used it at all because it's still pretty full, so that's a good thing. But you guys know I'm still kind of going through the whole like moisture overload thing. It's not 100% yet. I know some of you guys are like, you're done with it, but like it's just the way my hair feels. You guys can't tell what I'm talking about 90% of the time, but it's just how it feels. So my hair is already shampooed and conditioned, detangled. So I'm about to go ahead and deep condition right now. So I bought these little headband thingies from Amazon. They were $5, you guys, for like all of them. I think it wasn't more than $10, but you get 5 in a pack, which was cool. And it's like you don't get all that dripping and stuff. So I was like, this is cool. So I have it in my Amazon store if you guys want to check that out, and that's in the description bar. But go ahead and take that off though, because it's time to deep condition and jam. Y'all got so much stuff on this desk right now. I should have cleaned up before I started, but I was like, I just want to go ahead and start before my hair gets too dry. I'm going to first start off by just doing a deep conditioner, because once I start playing music, I ain't going to be talking no more. I'm going to just be listening to my playlist, girl, so you guys can see the consistency. It's pretty thick. And it smells like the other products that they have in the line. So that's good. Let's go ahead and apply. Yeah, I know I can't be playing the whole song. You can't play but like 10 seconds of it. So I don't know how many songs I got on this playlist, but we might be done pretty quick. Y'all, my hair has become very top heavy now. So I'm like, I have the cutting itch at the moment. I'm like, I kind of miss my hair. It's like so weighed down, so heavy now. Let's get into this playlist, boo. She gon' make me come insane when I kiss your lips. Speed on you. Girl, I'ma let you feel it. Day and night, I know what to do. And I make you feel me, make you feel me. Can you focus on me? Hey, everything, yeah. Thinking and take it all back. I gave you everything. But I ain't gonna play it ball, but I show you how the fuck you gotta do it. If you really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall. Tell me how you want it, yeah. Ooh, I don't wanna be a so don't treat me like you. Suit, you know I'm on your ass today. Would you let me hit it thrice if I asked today? She know my stick nothing but magic, babe. And I probably should have told you I heard this bad. And I probably shouldn't want this so bad. Yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds. Can you beat the shot clock? I call my ops Appiana. They shut down East St. Loriana. I don't want you on my page, Blackiana. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it. Real one. Can I trust in you? Okay, you guys, I am completely done with deep conditioning my hair. So what I'm going to do is go sit under a dryer. I'm going to put on a plastic bag, go sit under the dryer, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right, you guys. So I actually put this unwrap plastic lined cap thingy on my head to sit under the dryer. So I still have my deep conditioner on. I just want to show y'all how my hair looks fresh out with the deep conditioner on. Looking healthy, protein strengthened. Looks good. Look good, look good. Anyway, so yeah, you guys, I hope you guys liked the music and all that. I will have it linked in the description bar, the playlist. I'll have it linked so if you have iTunes that you can just download it or just add the playlist to your playlists. So I will put that below, but if you have anything other than iTunes, I'll have all of those listed in the description bar below as well. So I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.